Welcome to IDEA Network, your gateway to secure, fast, and decentralized blockchain experiences. We'll show you how to set up MetaMask and connect it to the IDEA network using Ideascan. Let's get started. Install MetaMask extension. First, open Chrome and head over to the Chrome Web Store. Search for MetaMask and click Add to Chrome. Once installed, MetaMask will appear as an icon in your browser. Create your MetaMask wallet. Click the MetaMask icon and select Create a Wallet. Agree to the terms and privacy policy. Now, create a strong password, at least 8 characters, using letters, numbers, and symbols. Write it down safely. On-screen text. Connect to Ideascan. MetaMask will prompt you to connect. Click Connect, then Approve. Add network manually optional. If the network doesn't auto-add, no worries. Open MetaMask, click the network drop-down, and select Add Network. Now enter the following details: network name, new RPC URL, chain ID, currency symbol, block explorer URL, then hit Save. You'll now see IDEA Network in your MetaMask network list. Select it to activate. To make transactions, transfer IDEA tokens from supported exchanges like Binance to your MetaMask address on the IDEA network. Explore all your activity on Ideascan.io, view blocks, transaction history, and even track gas fees with ease. That's it. You've successfully connected your MetaMask wallet to the IDEA network.